So the goal is to do the entire Ohio Erie Canal Towpath Trail, all 100 miles of it, over the course of 2 days. For day one, we want to do 55 miles from New Philadelphia, Ohio to Portage Lakes. We aren't the fastest bikers, and given that the trail isn't paved all the way through, it's mostly like a crushed limestone or a dirt, you definitely go slower than you think you do. Then day two, we're gonna go from Portage Lakes through Akron, through the national park, into Cleveland, into the flats of Cleveland, where the trail officially ends. So it's gonna be quite a challenge. Could not forget this.
We got the fuel, we got the provisions. The journey begins here. There's our man's. What a hero.
I am God Insano, my lustful volcano.
Package secured. We got Nick.
I'd like to first off thank God for giving me this opportunity.
Dude, I ate 5 breadsticks with cheese in them, and I was like, this is just carbo loading right now.
Just find a place to make your stand. Take it easy.
It's New Philadelphia, baby.
Welcome to our city.
Who needs old Philadelphia when you got New Philadelphia? We're at the Dollar General. This is the starting point. It's exactly 100 miles from the end. We've got the bikes ready. Got Nick, Christian, Leroy. Can't believe it's actually happening. All right, just started. We got some road biking to do in New Philadelphia, and then we get onto the trails. Should be getting on the towpath in about 5 miles. Christian's chain has fallen off of his bike twice, so hopefully that's not indicative of a bad ride. On the trail, baby! I'm gonna check it out. Pretty good.
Thank you.
Thank you. Woo! Drill. Oh! That marks the end of the unexplored territory, 10 miles or so. Nick and I have now been to this bridge and everything north of it. Oh, I've never been so happy to see a bridge. See how muddy my bike is? Here we go, back on the canal trail. 85 or 86. Those stone obelisk trail markers are the ones for the actual towpath. So we are 86 miles away from Lake Erie, which is where we're ending our ride. Hello.
Warmed up now, boy.
Your pace back there was impeccable. Killing it.
Oh.
We started at 12:30. It's almost 2. About 15 miles in. About 10 miles an hour. We're coming up on Bolivar, which has got a DQ if we want to grab a snack.
Some cheese curds.
Sorry, take the bridge. Towpath mile marker, 81. Nothing like biking against the wind. Does anyone want to know our distance?
I already got it.
20 or so.
What did yours say?
It's about 20.
16 and a half.
It's about right.
That's all we
16
have?
and a half. Yeah.
The greasiest, slimiest.
Let's do a regular cheese curd.
Anything else?
That's it.
For here to go?
To go, please.
$4.59?
Thank you. Nice. No.
We really didn't go.
We're at mile 22. I think we're all starting to feel it right now. We're at the Craig Pittman Trailhead. Thanks, Craig, for having a trailhead here. Nick and I just stopped to take some Advil and take a quick break.
The towpath is winning.
I've been hesitant to say this around the rest of them, but I'm actually kind of dying a little bit. The pain is tremendous. Oh, what's up, Nick? How you doing?
In 600 feet, slight left on Congressman.
Shut up, Google. I wanted to come back and get this sign because it explains the situation. We're almost in Massillon, and the trail is closed for a stretch of about 4 or 5 miles. So we actually need to go into the city of Massillon, take streets and sidewalks for about 5 miles as a detour. All right, we're 28 miles, baby. Halfway.
And the trail's closed.
And the trail's closed. Take the stone, it's too rough. Take the dirt. So then I said, okay, we'll take the dirt. Calls me back and he says, don't take the dirt. The dirt ends. He's like, take the stone. What up? Wow. He's got the moves. All right, we're about 40 miles in, which means we got another 16 or 17 to go. I am getting cramps in my quads. $50 miles. 7.5 miles to go. Chain fell off Nick's bike. We took a little bit of a break.
Towpath
Everything's
is still winning.
yes. The van! We did it! Yeah! I have never been more excited to see the van in my entire life.
some fictional place, dude.
Thanks, Rye Guy.
Yeah, no problem.
Appreciate you letting us stay here.
Yeah.
We're one man down already.
We lost Nick.
Can we make it?
And you lost Leroy, too.
We lost Nick and Leroy,
Yeah.
but we'll make it. The two amigos.
Just two. It's just two brothers.
Two brothers
Alien
in a van.
Down by the river.
There it is. The size of that chair. Look at the size of this thing.
Not heavy. They bolted it.
We're good. .5% downhill grade. You love to see it. I'm not stopping. Oh, the best part of the whole trail.
Sorry, I had to be a little pretty boy and put on my lip grease.
That's all right. Lip care is important. Just pulled up into the valley. Stopped to grab some energy drinks. We're gonna stop at Soleil's. It's like a farmer's market. We should just get corn.
Creamy
just eat
pie.
raw corn on the way. That would be the most Ohioan thing that we could do.
Corn.
Trying to get a pumpkin to bring back with us? What are these?
This is
Caramel
crack.
corn pops?
This is they like take the corn kernels up to space and just explode them.
$3.29.
Awesome. Thank you. You can toss the change in there too.
Have a good day.
You too. That's Peninsula. 23 more miles. Christian said there's a massive snake over here. Holy shit, look how big this thing is, dude. It's massive.
I think that's what that is.
Mile 17. Yeah. Advil break. Got to do it. 15 miles to go. $10 miles. It's the 480 bridge over Valley View.
Funny thing about the valley is it's not a very good view when you're in it.
Nice. That was so good. I hate the wind. Why is it blowing directly against us? The steel yard!
One more of my stitches, what I'm trying to say. Missing pieces found.
All right, we might be in Cleveland, but it's not over yet. Our goal wasn't to get to Cleveland, it was to get to the flats, and we still got 2 miles. So let's grind it out.
Push through.
Let's push through, dig deep, and get a burger or something.